Hey, it's Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Today I was feeling like digging into the little things that can turn a basic brochure into something special, and one of the details we can play with is corner shape. I've got 4 examples to show you, so let's take a closer look. First up is a stylish self-promotional brochure for a design studio in Canada. The corners are rounded and gently mirroring the heart shape and the rounded arms and legs on the figure in the image. The paper is nice and heavy. It feels like about a 100-pound cover. This is die cut and scored. I love the little half-moon die cut to hold the matching business card, and there's also a neat little punch-out figure on the back cover that is micro-perfed and easy to remove. Now let's look at another rounded corner example, but this one is more exaggerated. It's a holiday card designed for Redken, and they used a much larger corner radius on the curved corners. You can see how it gives the card an entirely different personality than the one we just looked at. It feels soft, but also modern and fun. Now, here's a fun idea for an event invitation where they used an inverted rounded corner to mimic the shape of a ticket. They chose a vertical orientation for all of the artwork and a 4-panel accordion design. And when it's unfolded, the brochure looks and acts like a string of oversized tickets for the 2-day event. The panels are even micro-perfed so that you can separate each ticket to use it for admission. Lastly, I'm bringing this one all the way back from episode 88. It's a great idea for a simple accordion fold, and in this case, there was no die cut. Instead, there's an angled guillotine trim on opposing corners. It makes an interesting shape both folded and open. The benefit here is that there's no die cut, but bear in mind that these likely had to be trimmed in short stacks to ensure the accuracy of a trim after folding, which would add some extra time and cost to production. It's all about the details, isn't it? I love how you can manipulate the shape of a corner to dramatically change the look and feel of a brochure while adding style in subtle ways. Better yet, it's also nice to know that you could even avoid a die cut in the process if you needed to. Great stuff. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit Foldfactory.com. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.